Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing some more cleaning. And I'm going to show y'all how we're going to clean these blinds without having to take them down, putting them in the bathtub, letting them soak, and then have to go to all the trouble and putting them back up. We're going to see if using this product will clean our blinds just as good as taking them down and doing all that hard work of soaking them and then having to put them back. We're going to try the Scrub and Bubbles on our blinds. Now, our blinds are the kind that look like wood, but they're like a vinyl. Now, I don't know if it will work on those little thin plastic blinds or not. You'd have to just give it a try. But I have already cleaned one of mine, and it does work. So in today's video, I'm going to show y'all how to take the Scrub and Bubbles to clean your blinds. Now, one thing about it, if they're real bad and they've got a lot of dust on them, you might want to take your vacuum cleaner and run over them first to try to get some of the dust off of them. And then we're going to take and we're just going to spray the Scrub and Bubbles right onto our blind. Now, what I have down here, I have a bucket of water with a washcloth. And then I have some paper towels. So what I'm going to do first is we're going to spray the blind with the Scrub and Bubbles. I'm going to use the paper towels and then a washcloth. So y'all come on and let me show you how good this does clean your blind. Okay, now I'm doing this over a hardwood floor so I can just wipe up any of the drippings that might drip down from the Scrub and Bubbles. But if you're leaving your blind up and it's like in your room with carpet, you'll want to lay down a towel before you start because some of it will drip down in the floor. So what you'll do is we're just going to take our Scrub and Bubbles. I'm going to move my curtain all the way over. I'm actually going to take this stick down so it won't be moving around everywhere. And I'm going to try to start right in here so y'all can see it real good. I'm just going to start spraying, give it a little shake. Now this right here at Walmart was $3.27 for this can. Now you can see how it foams up. Okay. Now we're going to let that sit there for about 10 to 15 minutes and soak. Okay. You see where that's why you do need something up under it whenever you do it, because it will do some dripping. But look how that's bringing out that dirt off of that blind. Okay. Now you can see, look right here, how that drip, where it's dripping a little, has already turned brown. So I'm going to take my paper towel first, and I'm just going to start wiping it down. And I'm going to start at the top and work my way down. This right here does take some time, but it is a lot faster than having to take down your whole blind and have to put it back if you do the soaking it in the bathtub method. Look at that. See if y'all can see that light's so bad right here in front of this window. It's not good. Look at that. Now you do have to take your time and wipe it down good. But you won't believe the difference the Scrub and Bubbles makes on your blinds. And it might work on those plastic blinds also. I'm just not sure. I don't have one to try it on. Okay. Now that we got it wiped down good with the paper towel. And now I'm just going to take my washcloth, and it has nothing on it but hot water. And we're going to wipe down the blind again. just to make sure we get all the scrub and bubble solution off of the blind. So now I'm going to bring you over here and see if you can see the difference from what it looked like before we started this up top. And I do got to go over it again. I'm just trying to make this video, and I'm trying to stay right in this area so y'all can see how clean it comes. Okay, now that's up there where we have not cleaned yet. So that's what it looks like dirty. And then right here is where we cleaned using the scrub and bubbles. So this right here is just a lot easier way to clean your blinds. You don't have to take them down, remove all that hardware, put them in the tub and let them soak, and then have to go to all the trouble to put them back up. Well, around here, y'all know I make a lot of homemade products, but I seen this and I had to give it a try to see what all I could clean with this $3 can of scrub and bubbles. And just so happens, blinds are one of the things that you can clean with the scrub and bubbles. And by cleaning my blinds, I believe I found something else that the scrub and bubbles will clean. Look how clean it got my floor. Oh my goodness, that might be our next project. That's just where it dripped in the floor and I had to clean it up. But look how shiny my floor is. Well, now I've got to finish cleaning my whole blind. I'll try to show you down through here just how dirty it is. See all those spots? So that's before, and then I'm going to finish it and I'll show you after. So I'm making a video for y'all, plus I'm getting my house clean. This pretty weather makes everybody start feeling like spring cleaning. So when y'all girls, ladies, whoever starts wanting to spring clean this year, and you need to clean your blinds, y'all might want to give this a try. Now, when trying to wipe the blind down with it still hanging up, the way I figured out how to do it is sort of like hold the end and maybe start on the inside and just wipe as you sort of hold it. That way it's not flopping around as bad, which it still does move around a little, but not quite as bad if you just put your hand on it and put some pressure on it. And then I'll put my hand here to get the end part. And now what you'll have to do is sort of rotate it and turn, you can turn the stick, but I'm just using my hand. And now I'll put a light coat on the back side. Now, if your blinds are not as bad as mine, but my blinds are bad, so that's why we're cleaning them, you wouldn't probably have to do the outside of yours, which mine on the outside are not real bad, but I do want to wipe over them. They're not near as bad as the front side. So we'll just finish wiping this. And what I done too was I tucked my string once I got done and just tucked my paper towel and went all the way down the drawstring. And that sort of helped cleans the drawstring also. Just put your hand on there, put some pressure on it, wipe it down. Now we'll turn it back over. And once you do this, You may have to even, wipe your window off a little bit if it gets on your window. But even though it's a little hard wiping these blinds down, to me, it's still not near as hard as having to take them apart, take them down, and move them to the bathtub. Or even outside. I have done it on the fence line. Tuck them out there, hung them on the fence, and used the water hose and just let them dry. But that's what they look like. So I'm trying to let y'all see a close-up of how that scrubbing bubbles cleaned our blinds. Well, okay, y'all. I hope you like our video on cleaning our blinds. We're cheating a little bit. We're using scrubbing bubbles. We might try to make it homemade, but this stuff is like magic. If you like our video, don't forget to hit that hype button, give it a thumbs up, and share our videos. It helps our channel get out there in the YouTube algorithm. If you hadn't subscribed already, you might consider hitting that button too. And like always, comment down below. Tell some ideas that you think this scrubbing bubbles might clean, and we'll give it a try. And like always, we just want to say thanks for watching. Until next time, happy cleaning!